Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make everyone's favorite dish, that is Chicken Dum Biryani. Let's quickly note down the ingredients required to make this recipe. Here I have taken half a kilo of chicken, 3 tablespoons of ghee, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, around 4 to 5 tablespoons of curd or yogurt, 1 cup of coriander leaves finely chopped, 1 cup of mint leaves finely chopped, a pinch of saffron soaked in milk, 1 cup of fried onions, half a tablespoon coriander seeds powder, half a tablespoon of cumin powder, half a tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon chilli powder, 1 tablespoon chicken masala, 3 tablespoons of biryani masala powder, 1 small bay leaf, 2 cloves, 1 cardamom and 1 small size cinnamon stick. Salt as required, around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. First we need to marinate the chicken by adding all the ingredients except salt. So add curd. Now goes in ginger garlic paste. Now add coriander seeds powder, cumin powder, garam masala, red chilli powder. Now goes in chicken masala, biryani masala, half of coriander leaves and half of mint leaves, and the rest half will be used later for layering. A very little fried onions. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything well. The marination is done and ready. Just close the lid and keep it in refrigerator for at least 1 hour, and you can also keep this overnight if you want, as longer is always better. It's been 1 hour now. Just mix it once again. Add 3 tablespoons of oil in a cooker. Once the oil is heated up, add all the spices, that is bay leaf, cloves, cardamom and cinnamon. Now add marinated chicken. And 1 tablespoon of salt. Give it a good mix. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 1 cup of water. Mix everything well and close the lid and cook for 10 minutes or until the chicken is cooked nicely. Now you can clearly see that the chicken is cooked nicely and the gravy thickens. Now switch off the flame and keep it aside. Add 2 liters of water in a pan and bring it to boil. Once it starts boiling, add 1 cup of Basmati rice soaked in water for around 30 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Be light on salt because we have already added to the chicken. 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now cook this on high flame for 3 to 4 minutes until the rice is 70% done. Do not overcook the rice, otherwise you won't get perfect biryani. Now this is perfectly done. Let's transfer it into another container. Let's start layering the rice. Switch on the flame and make sure that the flame is very low. Put the pressure cooker back. Add half of the cooked rice and that will be our first layer. Now add fried onions, some coriander leaves, some mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of saffron, 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add the remaining rice, fried onions. Now goes in coriander leaves, mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of saffron, 1 tablespoon ghee. Now close the lid and cook for 1 whistle on low flame. After 1 whistle, let's open the lid and see. The rice looks yummy and it's perfectly cooked. And all the chicken pieces are coated nicely with masala. The chicken dum biryani is done and ready. Enjoy it with raita or just like this. I hope you like this recipe. Please do like, comment and share my videos with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest recipes. Thank you.